This is a silent solution. Here you can see and visit my Linux class details related to or video. You can see and visit my channel. Uh, mm, Also, you can here is a playlist one topics. You can see and visit. I think your examination very helpful. These topics really helpful to when getting the environment. Here is just a minute. Just to see our environment. Say just a minute. Just my computer resolution here is here. Setting for no exam center. The time is access your examination. The time is clicks activities. Here is show below. Look like them. We can your activities click option icons. The view examiner, VM controller, and terminal controller. Has the same to have is if you click on exam viewer and then the question paper will be displayed. If you checking more to and close. If you click on note, start note, open note, close note, note one console. We need to click the note one console. Console is and it will be option similar to note 2. Same process here you follow. I think your examination is very helpful here is just click activities that you can option and here is same to same activities view examiner examination is click here is the important information important configuration. Here is click that you can see your see this question. I have many idea and many this logically proofs have. This is my lab environment has this Linux. Let's go first of all where overly question solution here, but as let's go to my examination. This is my lab. Just need to password break it. That's a reboot or system. I think sometime is a wait here. Press E. Here is press E. I have no need password break because I have already this video here. You can see how to password break Red Hat Linux. Here is just see your video here. How to password break. Password. There is two video. You can see one and two. You can see how to password break. Let's go. We have not a little bit time here is just just a close. Now connect our server. Empty root. This is my this is root. Just where access our server. First of all, check your connection. NMCLI connection show. There is one connection. This we are going to our exam question. Here is important click when you important configuration link click. Here is we can see your node 1 or node 2 question. There is IP configuration. This is TNS. Must be sick because it is very important. LS entity is all. Have no when we exam, I think there is a EO or another attribute added here, but you must be change this because working your DNS resolving file. See there. Just I sit here because just my exam environment here create try. Here is the attribute must be your this attribute. It is first of all a sec attribute and must be attribute this. Now it's working. Now try working. First of all, you have CLI connection show unsec and NMCLI connection delete must be deleted. All of connection must be deleted because it is too difficult when you edit this. But sometimes is any problem, you have not run your scripting and not run your PC wall question. Now we are added our IP CLI connection at con name LAN NMCLI LAN 1 if name equal 0. This is my machine interface. You can, when you examine this interface, exactly same interface is edit here and type Ethernet IPv4 method manually IPv4 address. This is my PC address 1 1 2 200 5 24 IPv4 gateway IPv4 gateway 192. This is my just local IP. You can, when we examine this IP, same similar this IP, we can sitting there because my local is not working. That's why I have this IP and sitting here. IP before DNS auto connection YS. Now MCLI connection show. I think our lab connection is show. Now ping this is my Google DNS, that's I have ping. I have already pinged this. Now again ls tt etc resolve and snow must be when your working is done, the time is again and this attribute setting here says tt tab and similar job.com. Now again I think your setting is done. Now it is done and also you can reboot now your PC because again take this reboot reboot. Just a minute to what? Now our PC is off. Let's go first of all. Here is this question. This answer must be sitting. Now must be you have when you try to SSS logging, that time is not logging because it has a SSS not permitted here. First of all, we can, yeah, it is SSS the space deconfig, and here is just, here is a yes. This is this is yes, and systemctl restart SSS must be when any service, any service and configuration, that time is must be reload, reboot, and restart this service, because it is not try to check your service is running or not running. Systemctl status, I think, or is running. Let's go second. Now started. I think we are working, and yes, it is a very important and discussion. I have already this video how to local repository create. You can see this. You can, when you first visit my channel, that you can use how to create a this. But first of all, wait just a minute. First of all, when we access, yeah, and let's see. This is Red Hat 9 Enterprise Linux. Let's go. First of all, with stack cd, I have already created repo because this is a local repo created. It is a yum.repos. Can access ls ll, and is a two repo. First of all, same way created as like remove all default repo, and just very simple here. Create, I think is just here is simple, and same way follow. I've not removed because this link not working here. It is my lab environment, and same way we can create, and first get is done. Cp local repo 1, local repo 2. That's it. Just pi local to repo. You can just here sense your base name and URL. It's I think it's working here. Now we are delete here is RM because it's not working here, and this link not working here. One or two here. Yeah, I think here is a stream repo. That similarly here is where how to look. It is a repo. I have already created this video. My channel you can see, and this how to create a local repository. And now where repo is created is done. Yum clean clean all yum repo list all. I think is a all repo is done. Clear. This is question is solved. Oh, I forget it. Must be you have to your send your host name, and this is the host name ctl host name. Exactly, you have examined this like example node same to same here must be send your host name bash. Now our host name. That is the host name. Please, same way you can see, you can check your host name. Now our repo configure is done. Our now HTTP server here is three file. This same question here. I'm getting my there's two web server you can say and running the 84 tool running. First of all, we're see here yum now HTTPD just a minute. I think our HTTPS is done. Now system as well as system ctl ena barely httpd enable system restart our service. Now yeah, start now status or status is okay. Now when we exam, I think not installation this service because they're already installation and your code sync, but you can first time just enable your system or restart your system. That time you can as like similar. I have just a minute. Yeah, it is say that you can your configuration rpm uc http clear. Just a minute. Here it is a http config http. Here is a 40 line is the listening. That is just I think you know it since exam when exam are already since this just my lab environment. That's why you have to say just you can restart your system service ctl restart httpd. When I restart or restart The time is the same problem as facing the wedding exam. Now, how to fix this issue? Let's go man CMMZ code code. I think here is many ports. Just this formation, exactly this formation you can get in L graph HTTP. Just similar search service. Now 82. Now we're again restart HTTP service. I think restart the service. Now start. Now status. This I think is up. Already there is a discussion. You can say the web file tmc. You can see and this already there are three files created there. But where this lab environment not created, but we are created this file. You can get cmd cd etc cd var www html. Just cal file 1, create file 1, done is echo I love Sean file 2. Text solution Sean BDIT. This is my another channel. You can see and visit, and there is many video in the Bengali, and this you can see and visit. This is Tech Solution BDIT. Here's the next. Let's go. First of all, we're create here. Now we're two file and similarly sorry 3 clear call this server IP 192.168 dot this 82 call. I think the default web page is the card. Now where the man exactly this question wanted. This question one is a file 1 and file ensure the wall file running 82. Let's go. First of all, we have file 2. File 2, our message is done. File 3, our message is done. File 1, our message is done. It is, I think, is solved question. This question is done. Oh, another piece has this host is just a minute. must be your firewall added because not allow another node firewall CMD permanent added port added to recipe firewall CMD permanent added service HTTP is done. Must be reloaded firewall menu firewall CMD permanent added sorry reloaded firewall CMD list all. You can see list all 82 port and HTTP is added. Here is done. Next question. This web service question number 3 is done. You can default your friends since created a Malan user. This is a similarly had this same this is the ID. Second here to 2000 M it is done. Create the following user and group. This group is the sysadmin. A user Natasha who is logging the sysadmin as supplementary group. A user Sarah also belonging system admin. Harry does not have the read and write understood. Natasha share should be passworded. Password and not password is in and not. And similarly, we can do is let's first of all we can add it and sorry and same to same here. Second question is also user Natasha who belong the sysadmins as the supplementary group. That's mean secondary group. Supplementary group is the secondary group. And this is supplementary or secondary group. Adams and Natasha is done. Second Shara belongs to supplementary group. Shara is done. Just a minute. Next question. Harry who does not have access an interactive share system who are not members of sysadmin. Let's go. user act. RA has been no login. No login. Now this our question is solved. Improve. Harris has been Natasha is or is not sysadmin. Improve. Let's go. Second part is all password. It's all password enforced. Must be all user password is enforced. Let's go. WD STDIN array. Same password. This password is successful. Shah Natasha is same password. Just paste here is on child. Shara is same password. Now again you can see I think all user password is done. My password column is done. Let's go next question. Next question. Create a collaborative directory and share as a group. Ownership is common share as admin. The directory should be read and write accessible. And first of all, we can first create automatically group and ownership. It is understand to root access the license and directory. Just collaborative directory is create. Start. Second part. Group is common sysadmin. CSRP. Must be not space here. Please take care. File already existed. All time is already same or follow this. Second, just check it here. Just go check again. Sysadmin already done. This read and write access is member of system, but not other. Let's go. Not others. Here is where two-way this solve. Here is other permission have already says mode 2 for sticky bit 770, other is not. Sure, let's go. Sure, other is 0, also is sticky bit is done. This question is solved. Now, current job is created. Now, first of all, see your service systems there. Only actually you have not installation, then must be you have to installation. The simple command is yum illustration cro corny. The simple installation and installation. Now the user Natasha user what you have already created the 1 minute it located is a every 1 minute is access is logged. Let's go. First of all, what's a cat adjacent on tab view before edit before attach user in Dasha just insert I star backslash 1 tab or 5 field here. First field is minute, second field is hour. I think it was done. Mean hello GG, just exactly which is mentioned. Yeah, just exam is going on. Just save and exit cat on tab hello Dasha. I think it's cd bar school from Natasha. Discussion is solved. It's done. create a zip2 and zip2 user share vectors. Let's go. First of all, secure clear cd ports provide tar. This tar must be tar installation and be zip to star. I think it's tar already. There is installation. You can tar and install zip2 must be in installation, but we have to create the ini file here. Now tar C for create, V for verbose, Z for zip2, F for file. As a home, this is exactly this file. Let's go whose question is mentioned. Archive.tar state as done. Visit to this question. Already created, that's why you have not get here. Just you can similar way clear this question must be installation NFS. Just you have to installation see your configuration file. First, where just configuration is master, here is master. YYP, just search. There is there. Just W share. It's okay. It's done. It is not working. My lab environment need to another. It is NFS configuration server. Now it is the same way. Same way you can just insert here. C5 read write say your server with IP get here just say W is share 5 exactly name remote 5. Now save and restart system. Restart service. Now so 5. I have no created, that's why no access this, because when you lab exam that time is a access have, but I have how to NFS autofix configuration this channel you can see and visit. Today not solve were all question because we are already solved many question. My channel you can see and visit the same to same here is question just when coming my exam question how to can solve this issue. This is like his this question you can follow. I think is your very you benefited you will be when examining really benefited. This is question here is the coming my exam. This question solution here is just NFS, but not here is just NFS how to configuration your local workstation. That's it. My environment ready here is but I'm solution here winning exam that just installation and restart and just my is this portion is coming just master file and ms file is edit and here is and show and see. And second of all searching question is a really very important question and my coming my exam coming action that question send where to solution here search file. It is very important this question. Same way you can solution here have not solution here every question because we are already given here scripting Podman etc. You can see, I think is here solution. Just today discuss our exam when exam coming action. Have some preparation extra. You can see, I think your knowledge has. My exam is coming is just zip. This for topics coming as cleavage. Not coming, but you can see, and I think your idea is, hey, yes, this question is coming my exam. When my exam, that question, the same way solution here is. You can see this part, make it directory, not coming, but I have see this question. The recommendation is very important. My every exam, I think this question is coming. Just your recommended file, you can set it here. Is first of all in installation to the RPM and then secure scripting is very important topics. This question is coming my exam. Pandora is coming my exam. You can see two-way solution here is you can just I have same way solution. You can see, and this is another important question. How can solve this question here is this topics. You can see, I think your just to do my syllabus is checking. Not overall all questions solved. Here some I think some question has a solution. This video not overall for all question solution because we are already created an solution here. And TP server is very important. Is every exam is coming in. Also, this common job is very important. Very important topics has come job. My coming exam discussion. But here is a 2 minute a same way solution here is. This is a very important format question. It's really important question. The same way solution I think you have. Here is format how to solution. I think here is you can find is how to container solution question. Thanks for watching and well wishes your exam in. Really, I'm happy for my visitor and my all visitor. Thanks for watching. This question coming. How to solve. Have solved already. Has sub partition created? Is it must be coming your exam? But I have some sense this question has a 16 has a 60. Not mention the P, just extend my exam is coming. Thanks for watching and best wishes my dear viewer. You are really I'm really happy for your support and other support. Thanks for